Hi everyone, welcome to another video of mine. So today I am at Melbourne Airport in Tullamarine in Melbourne. So it has been quite a while since I've actually been to the airport. I think close to 2 weeks or so. So I have been quite busy with work and other things, so which is good in a way. So if you just saw, there was a China Airlines plane that has been parked, and it is actually quite busy at the airport today, like a lot of people going. So this is at approximately 3 p.m. on a Sunday afternoon, and people are going back to their hometowns after a week in Melbourne, or back to their home countries. I can see there's a China Airlines plane that has been parked, and also a Qatar Airways plane that will be taking off shortly, and a Qantas Airlines plane that will be going to Sydney behind the Qatar Airways. I would love to fly Qatar Airways one day because I heard such good reviews of that airline from a lot of my friends and my family who have actually flown on Qatar Airways. And being someone who loves to travel, I would really like to go. Sorry that I am panning in and out quite a bit. I'll stabilize it for a bit. So I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment as well. I would really appreciate it, and it would help the algorithm. So just some airport news. So there will be a third runway, so runway number 3. That'll be parallel to that runway you just saw there. So that will be in the next 10 years. Just recently got approved by the Australian government. So the Qatar Airways plane is ready to take off, but the flight to Sydney, which is a Qantas flight, will be taking off before that. It's quite a nice day today, and the weather is getting warmer, which is good. So we are in spring now, and there's another Virgin Airlines plane that just is also patiently waiting to depart. So there is a Sri Lankan Airways plane that just landed a few minutes ago from Colombo. So there are direct flights between Melbourne and Colombo, and I think they fly a couple of times a week. I'm just not 100% sure. So the Qantas flight to Sydney is about to take off now. There are quite a few people on a Sunday plane spotting. So I am at Terminal 4 car park, and I was actually surprised so many people were there today. I did get some coffee before I went plane spotting. I got a cappuccino with no sugars, which was nice actually. Cost was $5 for a small cappuccino takeaway. And considering that it's at the airport, it is a bit more expensive than cafes that are outside the airport or anywhere else. So the Virgin Airlines flight is about to take off now. And I also had an almond croissant, which was $9, so the total price came up to $14 Australian. So I just felt like having a coffee at the airport. But I did find another place in the airport that serves $2.50 coffee, which I should try out one day. Let's see how that is, but it's only takeaway. It should be good. There's a plane that just landed. I think that's a Qantas plane, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, I didn't have the ATC app. I left my other phone at home by mistake. And I usually have the ATC, the air traffic control app, which is ATC app on that phone. And I usually look at the planes departing and taking off and landing, but unfortunately I forgot it at home. There's a Jetstar plane that looks like it's getting ready to take off, and the Qatar Airways plane will be taking off soon. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I will try to go to the airport a lot more often. That's at least, this week, past few weeks have been really, really, really busy with work, etc. And I will try my best to go. So I will leave you with the Qatar Airways flight, which is going to Doha, which is about to take off now. So, as I said earlier, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And thank you everyone for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.